everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you that how can we actually remove the multiple Instagram accounts associated with our Instagram profile. So right now I'm in the settings of my Instagram profile in my browser. So once you're in the settings and uh, if you're not sure how to get to this option, then what you need to do is go back to your home page, click on these three dots that says more and click on settings. So here the settings page will open. Then go to see more in accounts center. Now this would open the meta account center. Here you can see that I have three profiles associated with my same account. So what I want to do is I want to delete some of these profiles. So how do I do that? So I do that by clicking on accounts, and here I have these three accounts and a remove option in each of them. So suppose I want to remove this account, so let's just click on remove and it asks us about this. So let's just click on continue and remove the account. So it will take a few seconds and then that particular account would be removed. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.